At the Pie Hole, we're in the business of creating pie heroes. Pie hero is somebody who shows up to the dinner party, to Thanksgiving, to any occasion with the best damn pie that anybody's ever had. I'm Sean Brennan. I'm the founder and CEO of the Pie Hole. We're located in Los Angeles. We're America's favorite pie and coffee brand. I think that what makes the Pie Hole really special is we're mixing old school and new school. So co-founder, the pie mom, Becky, and her family have 5 generations plus old recipes. Pies that really have been proven year after year, generation after generation. But it's also like, what's the next thing they're gonna come out with? What's the new flavor? What's the new item that the Pie Hole is going to develop? We had an ongoing joke about the show Dexter, and we ended up coming up with the serial killer. Some of us were obsessed with the show Downton Abbey. Earl Grey tea pie happened. So it's a great blend of old school and new school, family recipes, and new fun ideas. If we're selling pies across the United States on Goldbelly or by the slice at one of our retail locations, we're always hand making it. Everything is the highest quality ingredients. Everybody still has this same idea of like, would this pie be good enough for my mom? Could I bring this home to my grandma? So when we say the best pie you've ever had, we really mean it.